Students, we have completed chapter number 13, Chemical Effect of Current. I also hope that you have gone through the chapter after seeing the videos. Now we'll be discussing question and answer. First we'll be discussing objective type question, MCQ. The first one, an electric current can flow through. Answer is option number D, a good conductor. Next, second, which of this liquid is a bad conductor of electric current? Answer is option number B, pure water. Third, an anode is an electrolytic cell which attracts. Answer is anions. Third, answer is option number A, anions. Fourth, in an electrolytic cell, cathode is connected to. Answer is option number D, negative terminal of the cell. And fifth, during electrolysis, answer is option number D, all of the above. I'll repeat the answers of MCQ. First, answer is option number D, a good conductor. Second, answer is option number B, pure water. Third, answer is option number A, anions. Fourth, answer is option number D, negative terminal of the cell. Fifth, answer is option number D again, all of the above. So, this is up to fifth. Now, the sixth one. In an electrolyte, cations are. Answer is option number C, positively charged ions. Seventh, ions can be. Answer is option number D, either positive or negative electrolytic charge. Eighth, a solution of common salt, that is sodium chloride, dissolved in water will have sodium and chlorine ions. Answer is option number B. Ninth one, in an electrolytic cell, the anode is the. Answer is option number B, positive electrode. 10th, an electrolyte is an. Answer is option number B, liquid that conducts electricity. I'll repeat the answer from the sixth. The sixth one, answer is option number C, positively charged ions. Seventh, answer is option number D, either positive or negative electric charges. Eighth, answer is option number B, sodium and chloride ions. Ninth, the answer is option number B, positive electrode. 10th, answer is option number B, liquid that conducts electricity. Now we'll be discussing the blanks. First, impure water containing dissolved salt is a good conductor of electric current. Answer is good. Second, when common salt is dissolved in water, sodium and chloride ions are formed. Answer is ions. Third, a chemical reaction is produced in an electrolytic cell. Answer is chemical reaction. Fourth, anions have negative charge. Answer is negative. Fifth, anode mud is produced during electro-refining. Answer is electro-refining. Now we'll be going to second question, very short answer type question. In that, A part is define the following. Students, the first three define are on page number 199, key terms. Fourth is on page number 194, that is definition of electrolyte, and fifth is on page number 195, electrolysis. Now see the key terms. Then first, ions, anode and cathode are there in the keywords. Next, the fourth definition, electrolyte, is on page number 194. On the diagram, left hand side, see electrolyte. The answer is a liquid that conducts electricity because of the presence of ion is called electrolyte. So answer is on page number 194. On the diagram, see the left hand side. It is written define of electrolyte. Next is definition of electrolysis. It is on page number 195. Students, I have written define 5. This is also long answer too, but only 3 lines you have to write in define. What is this? The production of chemical reaction by passing an electric current through an electrolyte is called electrolysis. This is define 5th, that is electrolysis. Now the next question which we are going to discuss is short answer type question. Students, mostly the answers you have to write there itself. The first one, what charged particles make it possible for an electric current to flow through a solution of a salt in water? The answer is positive and negative charged ions. You have to write answer positive and negative charge ions. Second question, name one physical observation by which we can conclude that chemical reaction takes place during electrorefining. The answer is you have to write from the question first. One physical observation by which we can conclude that the chemical reaction takes place during electrorefining is the collection of anode mud. Answer is the collection of the anode mud. Third one, does the presence of salt in water increases or decreases its conductivity? Students, the answer is increase. You have to cut decrease. So what is the answer? The presence of salt in water increase its conductivity. Okay, you have to cut decrease, answer will be increase. Next, fourth, list 2 application of electroplating. Answer is application of electroplating are decoration and manufacturing of printed circuit board. You have to write from the question, applications of electroplating are for decoration and manufacturing of printed circuit board. Last answer, fifth answer, what is electrorefining? Student, the answer is on page number 198. Students, see on page number 198 on the top, electrolysis is used in refining of impure metal. This method is known as electrorefining and can be used to purify metals such as copper, gold, silver. So this is your short answer 5 on page number 198. Now we'll be discussing long answer type question. I have written LA. The first one, explain why we are more likely to get an electric shock if we operate an electrical appliance with wet hands than with the dry hands. I have written the answer and I am reading the answer. So please write the answer. We are more likely to get electric shock if we operate an electrical appliance with wet hands because it has some dissolved salt and acids in water, which makes it a good conductor of electricity. I'll repeat from because it has some dissolved salt and acid in water, which makes it a good conductor of electricity. So this is our long answer first. Now second. Long answer 2 is on page number 195. With the help of neat and label diagram, explain simple term how electrolysis takes place. Students, the second part I have cut. So only you have to explain electrolysis with example. So on page number 195, see the topic electrolysis. First you have to write the definition of electrolysis, which is defined fifth also. Then whole paragraph you have to write. So the production of chemical reaction by passing an electric current through an electrolyte is called electrolysis, and electrolyte contains ions. Whole paragraph at the end, this is how ions move in an electric cell and thus conduct an electric current. So this is your long answer 2. You have to draw the diagram and label diagram. It is long answer 2 on page number 195. See the topic electrolysis. 2 paragraph you have to write and draw the diagram. Now the third answer. What is electroplating? How it is done? What is the purpose of electroplating? The student answer is on page number 197. See on the top, page number 197. Electrolysis is commonly employed for the coating of one metal with another. This method of coating of one metal with another using an electric current is called electroplating. Whole paragraph you have to write till the point ion of metal are attracted by the cathode and therefore move towards an object and get deposited on it, and you have to draw the diagram also. So first on page number 197 on the top, first line itself, long answer 3, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस से बाकी के पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं और उसके बाद जो है डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. So this is long answer 3 on page number 197. Students, I'll repeat, this is the chapter of physics, so you have to write in that book only. Hope you got the answers. Please, before writing the answer, go through the chapter for better understanding and then you write question and answer.